How to stream mobile games on Twitch. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial, but first you have to make sure that you have downloaded your Twitch account or application. And then I want you to download this Prism Live. All you have to do is to search this and then click install. Wait as it is installing. So all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds or a minute. It depends on how strong your internet is. Okay, so once done, all you have to do is just simply open this application. And this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do is just simply click Twitch. You have to connect this to your Twitch. And then after you have connected this, you just have to log in. If you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up. Okay, so once you have created your username password, all you have to do is to click login. Or if you have your account already, you just have to click login, type your username and your password, click authorize, and then you just have to wait a couple of seconds again, and then you just have to grant permission for Prism Live to take pictures and record video using your phone device. Click allow. So all you have to do is to just simply click allow. Okay, so grant permission for Prism Live. And then after you click allow, all you have to do is to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And that's how easy it is. Now you can begin start or you can simply start your live. Okay, so let's focus here on screen. You have choices, camera, screen, VTuber. So you just have to tap the screen here so that you can see the options. Okay, so click OK. Now here, all you have to do is to scroll down and look for Prism, and you have to toggle that one on, turn that one on. Okay, so that we can continue or we can use this Prism application continuously. Okay, so after that, all you have to do is to click ready, or you can explore down here, connect live video photo, but we can go directly to our tutorial. So as you can see, we have options here. You can tap this T text here, and you can see the features. You can also look for chat widgets features. Okay, so all you have to do is to click that widget icon and then click this Prism chat widget. And then here you can simply adjust the settings or you can just stay it that way. Okay, here you can change color, you can change this disappearing chat messages. Okay, and then for widget style, I suggest that you choose style 4. Most of the people who use Prism Live on Twitch use this style 4. So I suggest also that you do this auto rotation so that you can see it clearly and the live is also perfect. Now what you're going to do here is just to start everything. Okay, tap auto rotate and then go back to your Prism Live. And then here, what you're going to do is to make sure that you have connected your Prism Live to your Twitch. Okay, so to do that, you can just simply click set destination and then you just have to look for Twitch. There are tons of options there and social media platforms, but you just have to look for Twitch. Tap this one, connect Twitch, and then after that, you can just simply click this yellow button here. And then after clicking that, you are free to enter the title, okay, enter category, also the settings of your live. You can adjust everything here or you can just remain it that way. Okay, so you just have to enter, for example, game or gaming, something like that. And then below, you can simply adjust everything here for the settings. Stream quality, you can change resolution, video quality, bitrate, frame rate, keyframe, everything is up to you. Now, once you're done, you just have to click OK. And then after that, you can now go to your game and start gaming, playing, and do this live using Prism on Twitch. So that's how easy it is to stream mobile games on Twitch. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.